Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. Yet again, I've got another gadget that might be of interest to you guys. You might be looking at the market and probably needing some sort of unboxing or a little bit of a review. I've got this item that I've purchased from China, from AliExpress, and this is meant to charge the batteries other than the cars and bikes and other things. So, so this is called the RJ Tianye or whatever, Tianye 12 volt intelligent pulse repair charger. As you can see here on the picture, there are obviously quite a few other chargers available in the market. You could probably pick something up from John Lewis or Wilco's or somewhere that in the UK, but they would at the least cost you about 20 quid or 30 quid. This one's about 10 quid. There's quite a bit of difference in terms of the pricing, but there's also lots of features on board which might be of interest. It just obviously uses the same plug that we have in the UK. It's the UK plug. That's what it's got. This is the yellow unit, as you can see. It's been marked over here, but there are other colours available as well. There's also black one, might be of interest, or red or blue, or perhaps green as well. There's some information about the manufacturer, the website and other things. 1 year warranty with this, and obviously some of the pictures of the devices or the commute options that have got their 12 volt battery in there and that can be charged. I've recently had this issue with my car and the battery discharged completely. I had to call AA assistance to get the battery jump started. I didn't have the jump start cable, but yeah, I didn't have the AA support for 1 year available, so they were available on site to sort of fix that for me. Yeah, okay, so product parameters, size, you can see here, output line length 65 centimeters, input voltage 110 to 220, standard input and output about 6 amp at the highest, 12 volts, I mean. Scope of application 12 volts, 2 ampere hour to 100 ampere hour lead acid battery, and executive standards. There's some standards, etc., that are also followed. So there's some warning information. Obviously, this is strictly prohibited to charge the battery, lithium battery. A high voltage, please do not open for non-professional. So do not open it when you're charging, of course, and beware of exposure to rain. So keep it in an enclosed position. Okay, so let me just quickly open the box. Nothing else other than all that we've just seen in the box. And inside the box we've got the charger itself. Right here, yellow color model, as you can see. Comes with quite a few features on board, and I might just sort of give you an overview of that. Okay, so on the left, as you can see, pulse repair, winter, summer. There's multiple protection, intelligent detection. There's car talk, AGM, gel equipment, those big batteries that you can charge directly. There's motorbike, and there's pulse repair. So, and then there's this mode button. There's only one button on board, which you can just click and sort of toggle through the different modes. And yeah, just click and connect, and then basically take these connected to the positive and negative terminals of the battery, and that should all start to work for yourself. And that's something that I'm planning to test. But this is obviously, it's got its standard UK adapter. It's fused with about, you can see, I think it should be visible over here. And this is fused with 13 amp fuse in there. So this is fused type UK adapter, UK plug I mean, and then there's this option to obviously toggle through different modes of this device. So okay, that's really all that I wanted to share. There's also an instruction manual inside that might be of interest. Not going to turn it on, of course, it's just an unboxing, of course. That's something that I might sort of bring along in another video and show you guys how it can charge the car. I mean the car battery, of course, not the car, with 12 volt, it's like take ages to charge a car, if it's an electric car, of course. Okay, so 12 volt intelligent repair, and there's some operating instruction, mode, usage of charger. I think there was 1 year warranty somewhere. It doesn't come with 1 year warranty. I think there's some, oh yeah, warranty card here. 12 months of warranty, as you can see. It says 12 months of warranty, and you just need to contact the manufacturer directly, and they'll probably send you a replacement or perhaps fix it. I'd rather think it will be a replacement unit that will be sent to you in case there's a fault in the equipment. And I think that's pretty much it. Is there if there's anything else that you'd like to ask, please do drop the questions in the comments section, and I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Take care, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers, bye bye.